Hello guys, welcome back to this new video, and in this video we are going to learn how we can design all these things. As you can see on the mobile screen right now, we have this sign up screen, and as you can see we have these three dots and we are using this, and it is colorful. And in the back side we have this curve, and as you can see in the linear gradient in the background. In the right side there is a light, in the left side there is a darkness, and we have this logo here. We have here this title and all these text form field, and we will see how we can use these icons also. And we have this finally button for submit the sign up form after filling all these things. So in this video we are going to learn how we can design these types of screen for our application. So let's start and see how we can do. So first of all, let's create a Flutter project. So click on here, new Flutter project, click on this and click on next, and now give here the project name. You can give your own name, whatever you want. So I'm giving here form, because we are going to design a form and we will see. Click on finish, and now it's creating our project. We have to wait little. Now as you can see the Flutter project has been created. So now let's close this readme, this one, and now open this. This is the folder here, click on it and you will see all these things here, and you will see this is lib, and this is our main. Click on this. So now as usual in all Flutter project, in the beginning we see this main function. So we will start from here in this video. So here just minimize these two classes in the below. First one this, second one this, and select both and press delete button, delete all. Now just remove these all comments and remove this comment, and now as you can see here we have this home. So now let's design our form, sign up screen. So first of all, here remove all this. In the home we will return a container, and this is your container. Now let's decorate this container. So inside this container write decoration, box decoration, and inside this decoration we have to give color, gradient, sorry, not title, right, gradient, linear gradient, and inside this we have colors, and we have to open these two brackets. Inside this, first of all we will write this color, and the second one colors dot white, this one. Then after the child, up here after this linear decoration, box decoration, after this child, stack widget, inside the stack widget, children, inside the stack children, and here will be position, and just break this code, and inside this position right will be 0 and top will be 0, and inside this children inside this child here we have to pass image. So image dot assets, and now we have to add one image. So I have in my folder, I will provide you in description. So this is my image which I'm using. So right click on this. When you will open your folder, just do same as I'm doing here. So right click on it and copy this, come to the Android Studio, and here first of all click on this Android, sorry, here in the folder, right click, new directory, and give name assets, enter. Now we have created this folder, right click on it, new another directory, images, enter. Now we have this folder. Now right click and paste this same image which we have copied, click OK, open this. You can see we have this image here. Now here we will use it. First of all, we have to go pubspec YML. We have to open our dependency, come here, and you will see here these material assets for images here. So remove this and make sure in the same line here, don't give any space like this or like this, otherwise it will not work. It should be in the same line as you, straight like this. Below this has like this. Don't give guys any space like this or like this or like this, just simply make here. Now after this, remove this has, and this should be in the second s, this below this. If you are giving space like this or like this, it will not work. It should be in the second s. As you can see, this is the second word s. It should be below like this. Now remove this, and before this image write assets and slash like this. Make sure write same like this. Now click on pubget, and this has been added with exit code 0. So now it's successfully added. Close this. Now here we will add, ignore this. Now right here assets folder. Inside assets folder we have images folder. Inside this images we have the name top corner image.png, and as you can see this is the name, same name which here. Now comma like it. Now after this position we will add a padding and edge inset dot only, and top will be 33, left will be 70, and then after this here will be child. Inside this child will be row, and inside do main axis alignment dot center, or let's say start. Children const, and here will be circle avatar, and this circle avatar we are using for, as you see in the beginning, before there is the 3 dots, color dots, yellow, green, and another one. So this is the for the circle avatar, and radius will be, let's say 13, and background color, let's say colors dot red accent. Now after this circle avatar write one size box, and width will be, let's say 10, or let's say 13, 14 or something. And now again just simply copy this whole circle avatar till here, copy. After this size box, paste it here. Now change this color to, let's say green accent. Now again copy from this size box, copy again, and after this simply paste and change this color to, let's say yellow. Now we have did all these things. Next is, now after this here you will see this is the row and this is the padding. So after this padding, let's write a container, And now inside this container we have margin as in sets dot only, and top will be 100. Now children, and let's say child column, and then children visit. Now let's add a icon before this form, I mean in the top of this form. So here we will say a size box, and height will be 200 and width also 200, and here child will be image dot assets. And now let's add one image from our folder. So I have one folder in my computer, so here this is my folder. I will use this. So right click on it, copy this, come to Render Studio, and just simply above this image paste it. Now we have this usual logo, this one, which we are going to use. So now here assets images, inside images folder we have this user logo.png. Now after this comma here, and here we will write row, and here main axis alignment dot center, and here children visits, and inside it let's give a text first heading, I mean fill your information like this. So let's say fill your information. Let's style it, style text style, this one text style, open two curly brackets, and let's say font size. Let's say font size first. Font size will be, let's say 18, and then after the colors will be dot white. Let's say decoration will be none, decoration text decoration dot none, comma after this let's say letter spacing will be 2. Now click on this text, add a const like this. Now press here also this add const, and here also on linear. Now you can see over here we have green tick. Now everything okay. Now press Ctrl Alt L, and your code will be formatted like this. Let's give this title learning form. Now let's test the application how it's working, and we will see it now. So let's click on this run button, and starting I have connected my mobile, and I will show you. Let first continue this here from it's running building, running assemble debug, and it will take little time in the first time, because still we did not test our application. This is the first time after creating this project. This is the first time we are checking our application, so it will take little time. We have to wait little bit, so just guys wait. Now it's saying parameter format not correct. It just normally, don't worry guys. And this is our phone screen. You will see our application here. Just you have to wait little. Build enough output, and you will see this. Yes, install. and you will see here. As you can see, we have this background with this dot and this icon and fill your information. And let me explain you guys. Let's close this. So here in the background, you will see this is the linear gradient. In the right side, this is a white, and in the this is the dark. So we are using here this linear gradient and two colors, one white and one this. Then after that we have given a stack widget. This is the stack widget above, and inside this right is 0, top is 0. So that's why this image is touching our right and top, and this is our image top corner, and this is the curve, this is the image. Then inside this image above, I means on the this image we have using these row, and inside this row, this is the row 3, call these dots, this is the row, and we are passing this 13 radius circle avatar 1 2 3. As you can see, 1 2 3. Then we have given one container. Inside this container we have this size box 200 by 200. This is our for logo. And then after that we have given this row, and in this row we have this text, and we are saying fill your information. Then in the next video we will start from here, and we will add here a form. So thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.